Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning presented a couple of memos this afternoon to the Federal Executive Council for which approvals were obtained. The first one, which is the approval for the award of contract for the procurement of one number Cessna Caravan aircraft AX208B by the Nigerian Customs. And this was in favor of Messrs. Worldwide Skypath Services Limited in conjunction with Africa Inc., the authorized distributor of Cessna aircraft in Africa. And it's in the sum of 3,447,442,710 naira, inclusive of 7.5% VAT. This is with a delivery period of 12 months. This aircraft is an addition to the current fleet in the customs service, and it is aimed towards combating smuggling and intelligence gathering for suppressing smuggling activities, and also to provide area surveillance and reconnaissance for the customs across our borders. The second memo for which approval was given is for the augmentation of contracts for the construction of the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation head office building at Abuja and Lagos. The contracts were originally put in place in 2015 at a total cost of 46,104,563,922 naira 3 kobo. The augmentation amount is a total of 45,937,319,279 naira 44 kobo. There are 3 different projects here, and so the contractors are also 3. The first one is the head office annex project in Abuja. The contractor is Metropole Development Limited. The Lagos office project in Ikoyi, Lagos is Sagato Limited. And then the Lagos Training Center project in Lekki is to AG Ferrero and Company Limited. In terms of progress of work, the head office complex is currently at 49%. The Lagos office project is currently at 42.5%. And then the training office at 55%. Council also granted approval for the implementation of the Nigerian Customs Service Modernization project. And to a concessionaire, let me get the name. The name of the concessionaire is Bergman Security Consultants and Suppliers Limited as the project sponsor, African Finance Corporation AFC as lead financier, and Huawei Technologies Limited as the lead technical service provider. The concessionaire has furnished us with $9 million as security for the satisfactory performance of the project. They have also executed a debt facility term sheet in the sum of $300 million to finance the first phase of the project. The revenue sharing arrangement is 45% of what accrues to the Comprehensive Import Service Scheme going to the concessionaire and 55% going to the federal government. 25% of what accrues to the Nigerian Export Supervision Scheme and 75% to the federal government as indicated in the agreement. And then the last but not the least approval was for the implementation and concessioning of the Cassava biomass bioethanol value chain project. This is a PPP project. It's a design, build, operate, and transfer. The federal government is putting in 5 billion naira one-off grant, and the concessionaire will put in 6.9 billion annually for 5 years. What is going on now is a pilot program in the eastern region of Nigeria. That's where it's starting. And thereafter, from the revolving fund, as the proceeds come in, it will go around the other regions of the country. And it's a 5 years program.